Hey LEGO fans, it's Mike the BricksNerd, and it's time to open day number 19 of the 2013 Star Wars Advent Calendar. Day 19, right here. Pop it open. As always, the directions are on the inside flat. Here's the pack we get. So I'll go ahead and put it together and we'll take a look at it. So day number 19 gives us a Separatist shuttle. Cool design on that. 18 pieces went into that build. And there were a few extra pieces. So yeah, not a bad build on that one. So there's day number 19, so be sure to come back tomorrow for day number 20 of the Star Wars 2013 Advent Calendar.